A lot of people think YouTube is about going viral, getting paid on YouTube. But for me, YouTube is about building trust and building an online income without burning myself out. When I first started my online income journey, I thought I had to be everywhere. I had to post on TikTok, and then I have to post on Instagram, and then I have to stay on Instagram and engage, even though I'm someone that's not a big fan of social media. I don't spend a lot of my time on social media. Like, I'm someone that spends more of my time on Netflix, on the TV, than social media. And then I started this online business that requires me to constantly show up on social media. You can imagine how difficult that was for me. I had to be on the platform because I realized when it comes to Instagram, when I post my content and I started just engaging randomly with other people's content, and then the algorithm would push my content a little bit. You always hear, don't post and ghost. I just want to post and ghost. Sorry, but that's the truth. I don't want to engage. Not that I don't care about other people's content. If I'm on the platform and I see a content that I genuinely like, I would engage, I will leave my comments, I would like it. But I don't want to be forced to do these things. I don't want to be forced to like somebody's content just because I have to be active, just because the algorithm have to see that I'm doing something before it can push my content out. So it started feeling like a chore rather than something that I enjoy. Like, I just wanted to share my value to people. And then on top of that, I was posting short form content, right? I was struggling to stay visible. Can you imagine putting in so much effort to record a video? Like, even if it's like 40 seconds video, like, there's a lot of work that goes behind that 30 seconds video, right? And then when you post it, for you to get 40 views or for it to get no views, really low view, it's very disheartening and it's very discouraging. Like, I was struggling with this for a long time, but I knew in the heart of my heart that I really wanted an online income stream. I want to earn my income online. I had to pivot. I had to change. What I was doing wasn't working. Social media, short form content was just not working for me. And I also learned something that completely changed how I see content, and that is that there was a research that was done and it showed that people actually have to have watched you for, I think, 7 hours before they, at least 7 hours before they can trust you enough to even consider buying from you. 7 hours. And me recording 7 seconds video where I wasn't even saying anything, I was just there and I put a text on the screen, and it's only 7 seconds long, because that's the way we've been taught to like trick the algorithm, that if you record a 7-second video and it's playing over and over again while they are reading your caption, the content would perform well. But this is actually doing more harm than good, because a lot of beginners get this wrong, because I also got it wrong when I started. Building an online income is not about followers. Like, you can have thousands of followers and you are not making any money from that content. You are not making money online. So instead of chasing followers, I had to learn the hard way that I had to build trust. Like, you have to build trust, and for you to build trust, people have to know you, right? People have to then like you and then trust you enough to like make a purchase from you. We don't buy from people we don't trust or people that we don't like, right? We always buy from people that we trust and like. And this is why long form videos come into play, because I'm sitting right here in front of you, I'm talking to you, you're getting to know me more, compared, you're getting to know the way I think, the way I see things, compared to me just recording a 7-second videos where I'm barely saying anything. And the burnout with my short form content was real. Like, I'm constantly turning on my camera and recording video, and for what? I'd rather record my YouTube video now and just dedicate one day, record 2 to 4 videos, and I go in depth and I give value and I share and I have that on there, and somebody sees it and somebody watches it and somebody benefits from that video. Like, I love that. I remember before I recorded my first video on YouTube, I was almost going to record a short form video for my TikTok. I'm like, okay, let me just quickly record something for like 30 seconds, 40 seconds, so I can post, because I haven't even posted on my TikTok account for a while. But then I'm like, girl, why are you doing this to yourself? I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to just record a 30-40 seconds video and just call it a day. I'm actually going to sit and use that time to record a much more valuable YouTube content. And that's exactly what I did. I recorded that first video. It wasn't pretty, it wasn't perfect, it was messy, I did it scared, but I did it anyways, and I just leave it out there. So with YouTube, people actually sit with you, right? It's like we are having a chat, we're having a conversation. You know, you can leave your thoughts in the comment section, and you know, I can, you know, answer back. People are there with you, sitting with you, and it makes a lot of difference. Because when it comes to YouTube, people actually come to search for something. Maybe you're probably searching for how to start your YouTube video without being overwhelmed, or how to start the easy way. Whatever it is that you search for my video to come up, you were looking for that. But when it comes to social media, it's more like people are scrolling past you. People were not even looking for you. People don't care what you were trying to say. You might catch them with a hook and they're like, oh, what did she say? Let me see. And then they are gone, right? So the connection is not really there. Whereas when you come to a platform whereby people are actually searching for you, for what you have to say, for your answers, the solution you are giving, the value you are providing, it makes a lot of difference. Why I'm using YouTube to build my online business is that I decided to play the long game, okay? Because that short videos were just not doing it. I rather take my chances on this platform and put my content here and have my content work for me long time. So this is like I'm building an asset. My content now is an actual asset that can generate income for me in the long run. Because if I need 7 hours of watch time for one person to trust me enough, at least, sometimes it doesn't take that long, but on average, it's always there. So if I need that much, I'd rather be here and increase my chances. One good video, one video that performs really well for you on YouTube can work for months, can work for you for even years, which is amazing. Another reason why I chose to use YouTube to build my online business is that it allows me to do less with more outcome. For example, now my first YouTube video, I recorded the first video. I'm like, oh, this is great. I recorded my second in the same sitting, and now this is my third that I'm recorded, and I've already made up my mind that I'm going to do 4. So that is already 4 weeks of content, because I'm starting with 1 content per week at this moment. So I already have 4 contents already done in 1 day, and I don't have to worry about content for the rest of February. So now I don't have to worry about posting every single day, even though I still post content on my short form platform, but now it's just optional for me. It doesn't have to be like I have to be there when I don't want to be there. Whenever I can, you know, as much as it's possible for me. It's not like, oh, the way it feels, it's like if you don't post one day, like the whole world, everything is going to fall apart. And that's exactly how I feel on Instagram. Like you can be posting every single day. Like I used to post like that on my faceless account, and then I didn't post for like a couple of weeks, and that was it. Engagements just died down. That's not encouraging at all. So being here on one video, I can focus on, you know, sharing value, sharing part of myself, sharing my story, and it feels really great to be able to do this, to like go in depth instead of just scratching the surface and just, you know, throwing different content and on the social media platform and hope that something sticks and hope that something goes viral. So if you are here and you are curious or interested in learning about building your own online income with digital products, I've created a calculator. It's called a digital payday calculator. That's what I called it. And this calculator is going to help you see what you can potentially earn when you start, this business online. Like, how much can you make? Even if you make 1 sale a day, even if you make 2 sales a day, how much can you make in a month? How much can you make in a year? I've linked it down in the description box down below. Check it out and let me know what your numbers are. Another reason why I'm using YouTube to build my online business is that I'm showing progress. I'm not showing perfection. I'm showing how I'm starting. I'm not here to pretend that I have everything figured out. God, no. I don't have anything figured out. I'm just learning as I go. And the more I do it, the easier it gets. So I'm sharing on YouTube as I'm learning, I'm sharing as I'm growing, I'm sharing as I'm building my home business online, and it's exciting. This journey is not all roses. Like, there are some times that I've cried. There are some times that I like, is this even worth it? But I know in my gut that this is what I want to do. This is what I'm meant to do. And I'm doing it. I feel like I'm living in my purpose right now. Talking to you, I feel so fulfilled right now. I feel like this is what I'm meant to do, like what I'm supposed to be doing. It took me so long to get here, but I'm grateful that I am here. And YouTube is helping me do that. It's helping me connect with you, helping me share with you, and helping me make your life easier by a way that I can, and contributing to somebody's success or somebody's progress in however little it is actually makes a lot of difference, and that holds a special place in my heart. Using YouTube would help me to reach the right audience, people that understand me, people that relate to me, people that resonate with me, people that are trying to build what I'm building, people that are trying to achieve what I'm trying to achieve, and that is financial freedom, that is passive income, that is breaking generational curse, that is becoming financially free. That is what I'm trying to do. That is what I'm trying to achieve. That is helping a lot of people, like helping so many people. That is making difference in people's life. So I want to connect with people that want to do the same thing. I want to grow with them. People that align with my values, right? People that trust me enough to want to even learn from me. So these are my audience. These are the people that I want to get to know, and YouTube gives me the opportunity to get to know these amazing people, and that amazing person is you. Because I've come to learn that when trust comes first, conversion is like really, really easy. This is why I was really struggling on my social media platform, because the trust was not there whatsoever. I didn't do a great job because I didn't know. But knowing the things that I know now, knowing the things that I know today, has helped me to make different choices. And if I were to do this journey, start my online income journey from zero, from the beginning, I'll definitely start by posting my content on YouTube. So this process, I'm not rushing it. I'm respecting it. I'm taking my time with it. I'm going to be as helpful as much as possible. I'm going to try and give as much value that I can, because I know that that's what leads to trust, and that's what's going to help my business. So if you are thinking about building an online income, go down in the description box down below and grab the digital payday calculator. It's so fun. I love using it to see my potential. If I sold a $27 digital product in a day, how much will that make me in 1 year from now? The calculator is going to show you exactly that. So if you ask me, I'll say YouTube is not about being everywhere. It's not about being all over the place. It's about being present. And that's how I'm building my business without burning out. And if you want to see my first YouTube video, I attach it down below, where I talked about how I almost didn't hit the record button for my first YouTube video and the things that helped me overcome that fear of hitting the record button.